Story time while I tell you how this online halal meat company has become my saviour. Watch me prepare the most succulent, meanest, leanest and most importantly cleanest cut of lamb while I tell you all about how I discovered the best halal online meat organisation. So my brother Raheel is fed up of me cooking chicken all the time. He asked me to cook some exotic meats, so he requested rabbit. I had no idea where I was going to get rabbit from, so I called my uncle and I asked him where I would get halal rabbit from. Anyway, so it was my uncle who pointed me in the direction of this website. So usually my dad does all of the meat shopping, but unfortunately his dad is not feeling very well. So he's his dad's full-time carer, so that means he can't be away from home for too long. So that means when I randomly decide to make something, I gotta visit the meat shop myself. And I don't know if it's just me, but if there's one place I hate going, it is the meat shop. I feel as if it's such a male-dominated environment, or maybe I just feel so out of place when I go to a meat shop. Anyway, I never thought ordering halal meat online was an option, and that's mainly because I couldn't imagine how the meat would stay fresh. This online meat shop has changed my mind completely. The website promises next day delivery in the UK. They are located in London and I'm from South Yorkshire, and they still managed to get the meat over to me fresh and within 24 hours. So the meat arrived cold in temperature, and that's because there were ice packs in the box. It was very well sealed and packaged, so there were no leakages. I expected the box to smell really bad once I opened it, but I was so surprised because I did not smell any bad smell. So initially this sounded too good to be true, so I ordered a small amount of meat to test it first. And mainly I just wanted to check the quality and cleanliness of this produce. I could not believe how clean and fresh the meat arrived all the way from London. It's safe to say this is my new meat supply. I'm so grateful I will not have to go to the meat shop ever again, so I'm sorry Speedy, you're never going to see me ever again. And let's all agree, the meat shop and the garage are two places a woman should never be found. I have decided to create a meat corner playlist on my YouTube channel. Here I'll be posting all of the new recipes using fresh meat from the online meat shop. If you would like to check them out, I have added their website to the description below. They have some amazing Ramadan offers on at the moment, so make sure you don't miss out.